Hi, Ma'am V. Agretard ka kanumutan, Ma'am. Sapay la kumata. You have a great retirement soon. Well, good luck. And we have learned a lot of things from you. And thank you dagay panang hahak ko jay schedule mo ide. Nga isu-switch ko iti daytime schedules. Yung naanos kalatama ma'am nga mga understand kanyami niya. Anyway, ang Facebook ako ma'am, download dati ko dati pakitaan mi kanya mag Facebook kawan. Alright. Have a nice day and hope you enjoy your retirement. At saka no may kami to maki bakasyon to no April. May dakan to bisitaan. Okay, ma'am? Thank you am aming naramid mo kanya. Kanyami am amin CCH staff. Amok nga na siya at amin naramid mo ito hospital, CCH, City of Condon Hospital. And sapay lang kumata healthy ka kinanayon. Stay beautiful. And thank you for everything, ma'am. I wish you the best. All the best. Ag Facebook ka, mama. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Hi, CCH. Kumusta po? Bye. Bye, Ma'am B.